And hello there again, fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is actually a old kit from the GQuuuuuux Series 9, the HG GQuuuuux. We have Savior's Gyan Hakuji Packs. Okay, so as you can see in the box art, this is definitely the GQuuuuux equivalent of the Gyan with the Hakuji Packs, making the Yan from a long range into more of a close range mobile suit. And then off to the side, here it is. What action poses you can do with it, and of course the other gimmicks, and yes, the gimmicks itself and the Hakuji Packs is here. Off to the other side, there it is, front and back, and of course, sorry about the GQuuuuux. Right. Now opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we have one bag with all white and some clear whites, off-white I guess. Another bag with grays and whites. Here it is with more of gray and dark black, and of course last one has a stand and some grays and some whites. And lastly, here it is, the instruction manual, where it will show you actually to first sorry about that, to create the Gyan first. Yep, here it is, and then here it is, the weapons or the Hakuji Packs itself. So yep, same as the original Gyan counterpart. It usually just has a shield and this lance, but giving the Hakuji Packs, which is this enormous lance, it becomes a close combat. Right. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off is the A sprue, which is a multicolored of yellow, sorry, not yellow, white, gray, and light gray. Then we have the B1, which is more of a bluish black. There is also a B2 here. The C1, which is a light gray. And then the C2, which is also a light gray. D1, I think it contains the Hakuji itself, white. D2 goes back to that light gray. E, more white for the Hakuji. DF again is more of a white with the armors found there. G1 back to white. Then the G2 for that light gray. It also has some saber effects here, the low saber effects. And of course a stand for the Hakuji Packs itself and whatever else you can put with it. And of course it comes with some dry transfer stickers. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of these HG Mobile Suit Gundam GQuuuuux of the Savior's Gyan Hakuji Packs, the MS-15/H. So the GQuuuuux equivalent of the Gyan, given the Hakuji Packs, same a purpose. From a long range it becomes a close range, and there are other Gyan variants like the Gyan Strom, but still this one looks like a knight to me rather than the original Gyan. So sorry about that. And this is me saying, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leave a like on the video, sharing and commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.